When people hear the term wealth manager, they often imagine someone managing millions of dollars for celebrities, professional athletes, or Fortune 500 executives. And while that certainly happens, that's only part of the story. Wealth managers help individuals and families make some of the biggest financial decisions of their lives. Investing, retirement planning, tax strategies, estate planning, risk management, college savings, business succession, and long-term wealth building. This career combines finance, relationship building, sales, and strategic planning into one profession. It's one of the highest-paying careers in finance, with experienced wealth managers often earning well into six figures and top performers earning far more. But success doesn't happen overnight. Building trust, growing a client base, and developing expertise all take time. So what exactly does a wealth manager do? How much can they make? Do you need a finance degree? And is this career worth pursuing in 2026? Today we're breaking down the wealth manager career path in simple terms. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. A wealth manager is a financial professional who helps clients grow, protect, and manage their wealth over the long term. Think of them as a financial coach for high net worth individuals and families. Instead of focusing on just one area, wealth managers look at the client's complete financial picture. That includes investments, retirement, insurance, taxes, estate planning, business ownership, cash flow, and long-term financial goals. Their objective isn't simply helping clients make money. It's helping them make smarter financial decisions throughout every stage of life. Every day is different. Some mornings begin with reviewing financial markets. Others involve meeting with clients, preparing investment recommendations, reviewing retirement plans, analyzing portfolios, communicating with accountants and attorneys, or researching new investment opportunities. A wealth manager may spend part of the day helping a young family save for retirement. Later, they may advise a business owner preparing to sell a company. Then finish the day reviewing investment performance for a retired client. No two clients have exactly the same financial goals. One common misconception is that wealth managers only work with billionaires. Not true. Many clients are doctors, business owners, engineers, executives, military retirees, professional athletes, retirees, families preparing for retirement, and individuals who have accumulated significant savings. Some wealth managers specialize in high net worth clients. Others work with emerging professionals who are just beginning to build wealth. The client base depends largely on the firm and the advisor's specialty. This career isn't just about numbers, it's about relationships. Successful wealth managers are excellent communicators. They listen carefully, build trust, explain complicated financial concepts in simple language, and genuinely enjoy helping people. Strong wealth managers are often patient, professional, confident, organized, ethical, curious, and relationship-focused. Financial knowledge is essential, but people skills often determine long-term success. Most wealth managers have bachelor's degrees. Common majors include finance, economics, business administration, accounting, or financial planning. However, many successful professionals come from different educational backgrounds. Employers often value practical experience, licenses, certifications, and client relationships just as much as formal education. Learning never stops in this profession. Markets change, tax laws change, investment products evolve. Continuous education becomes part of the career. Many wealth managers hold professional licenses that allow them to offer investment products or financial advice. You may also hear about certifications like the Certified Financial Planner or CFP designation. Other professionals pursue credentials in wealth management, retirement planning, investment analysis, or estate planning. These certifications demonstrate expertise and often increase credibility with clients. While not always required, advanced credentials can create additional career opportunities. Now let's discuss income. This is one of the biggest reasons people pursue this career. Entry-level wealth managers may earn between $60,000 and $90,000 annually while building their client base. Experienced professionals commonly earn well into six figures. Many successful advisors earn $200,000 or more. Top wealth managers managing large client portfolios can earn substantially higher incomes. Compensation often includes base salary, bonuses, commissions, or fees based on assets under management. Income depends heavily on experience, reputation, and the size of your client relationships. How do wealth managers get clients? This is one of the biggest challenges of the profession. Clients don't simply appear. Successful wealth managers build relationships. Many receive referrals from existing clients, attorneys, certified public accountants, business owners, financial professionals, and community networking. Trust is everything. People are trusting you with their financial future. Building that level of confidence takes time. Many new advisors spend years developing their client base before reaching their full income potential. These titles are often used interchangeably, but there can be differences. Financial advisors often provide general financial planning and investment advice. Wealth managers typically take a broader approach. They coordinate investments, taxes, estate planning, insurance, business succession, charitable giving, and legacy planning. Think of wealth management as comprehensive financial planning rather than simply managing investments. Many wealth managers also work with teams that include accountants and attorneys. Technology has transformed this profession. Today's wealth managers use sophisticated financial planning software, portfolio management platforms, client relationship management systems, risk analysis tools, and secure virtual meeting technology. Many client meetings now happen online. Technology improves efficiency, but relationships remain the heart of the profession. Clients still want trusted advisors who understand their goals. Let's be honest, this profession isn't easy. Markets go up, markets go down. Clients become emotional during economic uncertainty. Building a client base takes years. Competition can be intense, and financial regulations continue evolving. Success requires patience, integrity, continuous learning, and excellent communication skills. People entering this career should understand that trust must be earned over time. One of the biggest advantages of wealth management is career flexibility. Professionals may begin as financial advisors, associate advisors, relationship managers, investment analysts, or client service associates. Over time, they may become senior wealth managers, private wealth advisors, portfolio managers, branch managers, regional directors, or independent business owners. Many professionals eventually build their own advisory practices. The long-term opportunities are substantial. Is AI going to replace wealth managers? Artificial intelligence is changing finance. Investment platforms can automate many tasks. Portfolio rebalancing, risk analysis, performance reporting, even investment recommendations. But AI cannot replace trust. Clients still want human guidance during life's biggest financial decisions. Retirement, inheritance, selling a business, major market downturns, estate planning. Those conversations require judgment, empathy, and experience. Technology will improve wealth management, but it's unlikely to eliminate the profession. So, is wealth management worth pursuing? For many people, absolutely. The profession offers excellent income potential, strong job growth, entrepreneurial opportunities, long-term client relationships, professional prestige, flexible career paths, and the opportunity to make a meaningful difference in people's financial lives. For individuals who enjoy finance, investing, and helping others succeed, it's one of the most rewarding careers available. Wealth managers do far more than recommend investments. They help families prepare for retirement, protect their assets, plan for future generations, navigate financial uncertainty, and achieve long-term goals. As wealth continues growing across many sectors of the economy, demand for experienced financial professionals is expected to remain strong. If you're looking for a career that combines finance, communication, strategy, and relationship building, wealth management deserves serious consideration. Now I'd like to hear from you. Would you consider becoming a wealth manager, or would another finance career be a better fit for you? Leave a comment below. And if you're interested in finance careers, healthcare careers, technology careers, skilled trades, salary breakdowns, and career advice, make sure you subscribe to Career Decode. Every week we break down real careers, real salaries, and real opportunities to help you choose the path that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.